Small caps, though, today also pulled back slightly. The group has been underperforming the rest of the market for the past 2 years, but some say the gains could start to pick up. We're joined tonight by Loreen Gilbert, president of WealthWise Financial Services. Loreen, good to see you. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you so much.
There's been a lot of hope surrounding the small caps for a few years now. Why are they still lagging this market, do you think?
You know, I think that this entire year has been marked by trade and the uncertainty around a trade deal. We've said that since the beginning of the year, and we've seen that in the markets. Every time we think there's a trade deal, the markets go up, and when there's trade uncertainty, the markets go down again. And that would be characteristic of your small caps. When people feel uncertainty and when they want to become more defensive, they go upward in capitalization. They go up towards your larger cap companies that they feel more comfortable with.
If you were to invest in small cap stocks at this point, where would you go?
If we look at what's less expensive than other parts of the market, I would look at your small cap value relative to, let's say, small cap growth. So I'd say your small cap growth is more expensive and your small cap value is less expensive. And so that kind of value would lean towards making investments in that area.
But what you're saying here is that as long as this market is pretty defensive, and for the most part we are seeing the defensive issues outperform this market, small caps will also underperform. When we get that trade deal, does that change, do you think?
It does. I think we could see a pop, and that's what people are waiting to see, waiting for, in hopes of a trade deal, that we would see a pop in the small cap arena that would encourage investment.
Where would you go specifically? What areas, if you decided to go into small cap value, what areas do you like?
So technology overall has been the winner year to date as far as the sector is concerned. And certainly there are areas of technology that could be invested in. That tends to be more of a growth story than a value story. But another area would be the way that technology is impacting other sectors of the market, for instance, healthcare innovation. And there are opportunities there, and that would be more of a value story. The other area that I would encourage people to look at as a possible investment in small capitalization would be international small cap. That's not just the U.S., because our U.S. investors tend to invest more in the United States, and they tend to forget about other areas of the market. And small cap international companies are an opportunity.
Loreen Gilbert with WealthWise Financial Services. Again, thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you very much.